Hey everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm the manager of product training for Broan-NuTone. And today I want to show you a new product that came out a little bit ago. It's the Broan BEL6, and this is a fan light unit. It is a 60 CFM and a 0.9 zone rated fan. The purpose of the video, I just want to show you what comes with the unit and how things get installed on it. So let's get started. All right, so what comes in your purchase inside the box of the BL6 unit when you purchase this unit? You will get a grill and lens. You will get a frame for the grill to attach to. You'll have a parts bag containing 4 screws. You'll have an electrical box. And you'll have a 4-inch duct damper connector. So let me set these on the side here. The housing for this particular unit is 7 1/4 by 7 1/2 inches. The height of this unit is 5 3/4 of an inch. And again, it uses a 4-inch duct. This is a 60 CFM, so it moves 60 cubic feet per minute of air, and it's 0.9 zones. A lot of people question and ask Chuck, what's a zone? Zone is a unit of measure. 1 zone is equivalent to a normal refrigerator running, so fairly quiet, right? Taking a look at the unit, to get on the inside of this unit, there are actually 2 Phillips screw heads. You could take a drill or a Phillips screwdriver. In this case, I'm gonna take a nut driver, and you're just gonna loosen the screws up, and this unit will pull right out of there. And I'm gonna go ahead and we'll take a look at this. Again, here are the 2 screws. Here's the blower assembly on that particular unit. We're gonna go ahead and put that on the side. This is your duct damper connector. Again, it's a 4-inch damper. If you take a look, there's some slots on this damper. Those slots will actually get hooked into the slots of the can. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put that damper into place. If you can see, it's locked into the housing. There's 1 screw from your parts bag that you would use to connect that damper. It's one of the black screws, and you would just put it and tighten it right into that spot there. This is the electrical box cover. If you just grab hold of that, it unsnaps and it pulls right out of this unit like so. This is where all the wiring will be done. The electrical box itself, it actually has 2 spots for a wire restraint. You could put a wire restraint here, or you could put a wire restraint here, and this is where you're going to run your wires to make the electrical connection. This box gets put in from the inside, just like so, and it would get tightened with 1 screw, and I'm just gonna hand tighten, see if I can get in there with my screwdriver. Tighten it up so you can get the gist of it. So there you would have the electrical boxes fastened in. Again, what they would do is run wires through this box, and you could make your electrical connections depending on how you're going to wire this unit. The electrical, once your electrical connections are all made, what you would do is you would put the wire panel back in this unit, and it would just slide in. Once the damper and electrical box and everything are back in place, the fan assembly can then be put back in. Line the fan assembly up, can be put right back in up. You would tighten the 2 screws, like so. What you can do is you can plug your motor. The motor is the 2-pin, and you can just plug it right into that receptacle like so. Next step, what you're going to do is you're going to put the grill frame on, and this grill frame will be attached by the 2 long screws, one here and one here. And once that is tightened all up, then it's just a matter of putting your grill on. The grill has a plug. Make sure that you plug your light on in. And if you take a look at the grill has clips, one on each side. Those clips will line up to the grill, and it'll just slide on the place like so. And that's all there is to this unit. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.